I've been feeling unwell lately.
Okay.
And I went to see the doctor. And I tested positive.
You tested positive to what?
It's being pregnant. I'm pregnant, babe. Yeah.
You're being serious?
Yes.
What? How can you be pregnant? You're an adult. You know what? We have to do something about it, okay? I'm not ready to father a child.
Morris? You're not being serious, are you?
Does it look like I'm playing? I said I'm not ready for that kind of responsibility. You're telling me I'm not being serious.
But we have everything it takes to father this child.
You know what? Please leave. Leave, please.
Morris, quit playing, please.
Who is playing with... I said leave. What do you mean you're pregnant?
Morris!
Ow. I don't understand. Please, leave. Get your stuff.
No, wait, hold on. Morris!
Come here now.
No, please.
Let's go.
Chloe! After making my heart pop out of my chest. What is it, Joe?
Guess who I just stumbled on Instagram? Guess now!
Shoot me already. Please, can you talk? Give me. Okay. It looks good though.
I know, right?
Who is this?
Morris from my compound, my childhood friend.
Oh yeah? My friend. So what's the plan?
We talked, rather, we chatted, right? And he said that he was coming to Lagos because his company asked him to come and head one of their branches and he wants us to meet.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, I hope he's not in a relationship, though, so I can hear what, though.
He's not.
You've already asked me.
Even if he's in a relationship, I'll break it.
My friend! Yes!
I'm so happy.
But how did you come across his page?
Okay, so one of our mutual friends, one of our childhood friends, she followed me today on Instagram. So I went to her followers and I was just scrolling through and then I saw Morris. I can follow him immediately. I'm so happy.
I can see that.
I feel like there's no space in my head.
So that's good.
I know.
Yeah.
Anyway, give me my phone. I need to keep stalking him on Instagram. I'll be right back.
Hey! Shall you know here? Let me hear word in this house. This girl here. I hope everything works out for them, for my sanity. Chloe. This girl.
So...
When did you get this one? Oh. I think you should go with this. You look good in it. You'll like it, trust me.
This is nice. But if I remember correctly, Morris's favorite color is red. And you know, when I wear that, he's going to have the sense of, oh, she still remembers me well. So I need a red dress and I don't have one.
Okay. I get what you're saying. You can use my red dress.
You know, just to add like, you know, some...
You can use my red dress. I don't care.
That's why I love you. Thank you, baby.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you.
All right, finish your makeup. I don't want you to be late. Yeah?
No, I won't be. I'm already done with my makeup anyway.
All right.
Hi, Morris. Yeah, I'm here. Okay. All right, cool.
Hey, Chloe. Oh my goodness, you look amazing. Wow.
Who are you? Do I know?
It's me, Maurice. Aren't you Chloe?
No, I'm not.
But you waved at me just now.
Oh, I wasn't calling you. I was calling on the waitress.
Switched off.
Your hands, please. Thank you.
But why did he have to do that, Chloe? If you ask me, it's totally unnecessary.
I am in deep pain, Avila. Like he walked past me. Avila, he just walked right past me. Like,
But that doesn't even mean anything. I have always told you you are beautiful, even with this car. Avoiding Maurice is a bad idea.
so why did he walk? Why did he walk past? Huh? Why?
But wait, hold on. Right? Why? You guys have been chatting for about a week now, right? So you guys never video called?
No. Every time he requested for a video call, I always came up with an excuse. It's either I'm naked or I just can't. I don't know. I always come up with something.
Chloe, this same insecurity that makes you social media timid. How about now? When will this stop?
But why would he walk past me? Why did he not come to me? Why did he not, like, why did he see me as that Chloe? Avila, this is what I've been trying to tell you. Nobody on this earth wants to be associated with someone that has this on their face. Nobody wants to be associated with a handicap. Nobody wants to be with me.
No. Okay, stop. See, pump your brakes right there, okay? How many times? How else do I tell you that you are perfect just the way you are? You
I
need to
am
stop
not.
this nonsense.
I am not perfect. I am not perfect. Stop lying to me. I am not perfect.
Stop. Please,
This life.
Sorry, are you still on this? I've been hearing you cry since.
Maurice just texted me. He said he wants us to meet again. And
Please tell me you're not saying no.
babe, I cannot face it. I can't even try it.
Chloe, this is the opportunity you have to make things right, to make up for the last time.
what if, can what, can you go in my place? Please. Please.
Wait. First of all, we don't share the same face. Huh? How can I steal your identity?
It's not stealing identity exactly. Babe, please, just once, just one time, okay? I just want to know that important thing that he wants to tell me. That's all. And then you don't have to see him again. Please.
You're serious? No. This is a prank. Stop it. Please, I don't want this.
Vila, if not for this damn scar, I would have my true love by now, would be happy. But I can't even have the love I so desire because of this stupid scar. And you know I would do this for you. Avila, I would do this for you without even thinking twice. I need you to come through for me, please.
Fine.
Does fine mean yes?
If it makes you happy, I can't even believe I'm saying
Okay, let me just text him back right away.
See, babe, are you sure about this?
Yeah. Yes, I'm sure. It's gonna be okay. I'll share some of his basic details with you, okay? Like, just basic things you need to know about him. And thank you. Thank you. I owe you one. No, I owe you 1,000, 1,000,000, 10 million. I don't know, but I owe you a lot. Thank you.
Yes, to the right. I think I can see you. Are you the one in the red dress? Yeah, keep coming. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I can't believe it's been 15 years.
I know, right?
Let me sit. 15 years.
I know, right?
Wow. You know, I wouldn't recognize you if I just randomly met you somewhere. You look amazing. You look beautiful. The skin is skinny.
Stop.
The dimple is giving.
Stop flattering me.
Wow.
Yeah, you don't look bad yourself. She must be taking care of you.
We try. Thank you. Who?
Your wife?
My wife. I'm not married. I don't even have a girlfriend.
What have you been doing without a woman all your life?
My sister, the women are not looking at my face. Well, actually, I've really been busy with work. Yeah.
Makes sense.
Yeah. But what about you? Who's the lucky guy?
I don't have anyone. It's just me, my single self, and I.
In this Lagos? Are the men in Lagos blind? What? You don't have a man?
Morris, please. Well, I did until 3 months ago. He cheated on me and I ended things with him.
I'm so sorry about that.
Oh, nice. It's all right.
I mean, it's his loss, right?
Yeah, you said you had something important to tell me.
Oh, my bad. What would you like to have?
Anything is fine.
Right. Hi. Wow.
Stop.
You're back! What's up?
Seriously.
So, how did it go?
I had a good time.
Yes! Oh, what did he say?
Well, nothing much. We just exchanged pleasantries and talked about our relationships. Nothing serious, really.
Okay, but like, did he tell you what he wanted to tell me? Like that thing he said he wanted to talk to me. Yeah.
Well, he got an emergency call from work and had to leave early. But he promised to tell me what it is, though.
Oh.
Next time we see, but see, babes. I can't do this anymore.
No, babe, please. Now you cannot do this to me. Just one more time, please. Look, I really need to hear what he wants to say. Because he said he wanted to tell me something. And I need to hear what he wants to say. Please, now just one more time. Once again. Just once again, I beg you.
I can't even say no to you.
Who's my guy? Who's my guy now? Abila is my guy.
My personal
Thank
niche.
you. Thank you.
Please, I need to freshen up.
Hey. Sure, he was cute and cool.
Well, he tried, Sha. You just get your eyes there.
I know.
And he seems to have a good sense of humor. He seems crazy.
Yeah. Oh, he's always been a crazy fellow.
Off I go, yeah?
Oh, okay. I made dinner, by the way, so when you're ready, we can just go eat.
No. I ate enough. I'm really full of past.
I was waiting for you.
I'm sorry, babes. Please.
Soon I'm going to eat them.
Ah, there go. See, I don't want to. You don't want me to
But
do
thank you so much. Stop
Good
it.
morning, somebody. You look shit. Hope you're not nervous, though.
I'm shaking. I don't know. I just hope that this interview goes well.
Of course it will. I believe in you. They dare not reject such beauty and brains like you. You know you're an intelligent woman. In fact, they're gonna say, you are, don't worry, I'm waiting for you.
Joker of the century. Tell me more. No, but seriously, do you think I'll actually make it?
Of course. I believe in you, I told you. Now go get them, go and crush it up.
Okay. But what about this? Is it showing too bad?
Chloe, you are beautiful. I won't tell you if it wasn't so. Okay? Oh yeah, come and eat. I made breakfast for us.
I'm too nervous to eat. I can't stomach anything right now.
Please don't go there and faint. I don't have power for hospital runs, I beg.
I'll
Come
not
on.
faint. I'll not faint, babe. I'm okay. Trust me.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Well, wish me luck.
You already have it. You know that. Come here. Now, go get them.
Just a minute.
Chloe, go!
All right.
See the time. Oh dear. My goodness, it's okay. Oh, babes, please don't cry. Oh, it's okay, there'll be better offers. Trust me. Okay? You'll be fine.
I got the job.
What?
I got the job.
This is your foolish one. Really?
Ouch.
Congratulations! But what was I acting for? You scared me.
If I don't tease you, what will I do with my life?
No, you got me. Don't dance, so you don't know where I'm dancing. For the next 10 months, you pay NEPA bill and buy diesel in this house. I don't try. Next 10 months, just get ready. No discount for celebration. I'm coming. Let me get the wind.
Thank you, Lord.
Chloe, right?
Yes.
Okay, we have a meeting with the manager now in his office.
Okay, can you please show me to his office?
Okay, sure. Come with me.
All right.
Good morning, sir. Good morning. Come in.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Sir, I'll take my leave now.
It's okay. Sit.
Thank you.
May I know you? Have we met before?
No, sir.
Okay then. Introduce yourself.
My name is Chloe. I am your new personal assistant. I started working with this organization yesterday.
Chloe what?
Okafor.
Miss Okafor, as my personal assistant, there are a few things you need to know about me, which I'll be sending via email.
Okay, sir.
That'll be all for now. Welcome to the organization.
Thank you, sir.
My scar. You came into my life and put me in a world I didn't want to be in. I don't even know who I am anymore. I've lost myself. My confidence is a walking shadow. My self-esteem is gone. Why are you here? I'd be better without you. I'd be better without you. Why are you here?
Not again. We've talked about this times without number, eh?
I feel like I keep running away from everything. Even love that I yearn so deeply for.
But that's the thing. If you don't stop running, your weaknesses will stop chasing after you. Chloe, please. Believe me when I tell you are perfect, just the way you are.
That's a lie. That's a lie.
I don't know what else to tell you. And we need to talk to Maurice, right? We need to tell him the truth. He deserves to know the truth.
We're not doing this. We're not doing this right now.
Why not? Huh?
Do you know how hard it was for me to get a job? If he ever finds out that I lied to him, he might just...
Might. Exactly. You just said it yourself. He might. You don't know for sure.
I have a plan. Okay. Just please, just listen. The next time you meet with him, tell him you misplaced your contact, okay? And then give him your number as the new number. Okay, I don't want him having my contact and then calling me.
That doesn't even make any sense.
Where?
He already has your number, your employee file. If he tries to save your number, my name...
No, listen. Maurice is a different person at work. Trust me, he's strict, he's too serious. He doesn't even look at me. He doesn't open teeth with me like that, okay? And most of the time, he contacts me through Femi. Besides, he would never call me at home. There's an office line. He would never call me after work. Look, we're safe, I promise. Just do
I don't
this
even
for
know how
me,
you got me into
please.
this mess, honestly. I don't want to do this anymore.
Sorry, Avila, but I need you. Avila, if he wasn't my boss, then maybe I'd have been able to tell him the truth, but I cannot say anything now. I'll lose my job. Avila, please, you have to do this for me. Thank you. I love you. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm so grateful. You're the best friend ever. Thank you. Thank you, Avila. Thank you.
Yes, of course, sir. No, I'm actually working on the files right now, and I'll be done in a jiffy. Okay, you can ask your secretary to come get it. Of course. All right, sir. Okay. All right, bye.
Chloe,
Hi.
how are you?
Hi, Femi.
I don't know if it's fine or okay for me to ask you out to lunch. It's lunch break.
I would love to, Femi, but I'd have to pass. I have to work on these files because the MD of New Generation Hospital is sending his secretary to come and collect it.
Okay. I don't mind us looking at it together, though.
Oh, no, don't worry. I'm almost done, actually.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
No problem.
Enjoy your lunch. Right? Yeah.
Enjoying your lunch? You know, being here with you, I can't help but go down memory lane. It's crazy, but I'm so happy that we met again.
Yeah. What?
I just remembered how we used to go to Mama Emeka's restaurant after school. Oh my goodness.
Yeah,
Crazy.
I remember. Back then, she made the best jollof rice ever.
I think you're forgetting something here. Mama Emeka only makes local meals like fufu, eba.
Oh, yeah. I'm
Yeah.
mistaking her for this woman.
Stella's
What's her name?
Kitchen?
Stella's Kitchen. Yeah. Yeah.
Insane.
So how's
And-
adult life?
Stressful, but we're pushing it.
Yeah, I know. It's exhausting
Yeah.
and traumatizing. Oh my goodness.
Still, we move. Oh my god. Sorry, excuse me, I have to take this.
No, it's fine. Go ahead.
Femi, what's up?
Babe,
Hello, babe. What's up?
I'm not fine. He keeps bringing out talks about you guys' childhood. Like, I'm just making a fool of myself here. Pretty soon he's going to think I have Alzheimer's disease or something.
Oh my god, babe, come on. You cannot be that serious.
It is. It is very serious. Huh. Talking about Mama Emeka, Stella's Kitchen, yadi. Oh my goodness.
Aw, that's so sweet of him. That means he remembers our childhood very well.
Please, if he keeps this on, we're going to get busted. Duh.
Avila, relax, okay? I'm sure it's not that deep.
Anyway, he's here. Yeah?
Thank you.
Please, we'll talk when I get home, yeah? All right.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm so sorry, but I have to run.
Oh.
Yeah. My attention is needed at the office. So, a client that was scheduled to come tomorrow just suddenly showed up at the office today. I don't know why he did that, but I have to attend to him.
No, it's fine. I understand.
I'm so sorry about this.
It's fine.
Okay. But this has been taken care of.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, I'll call you.
Yes,
Yeah.
sure. So have a nice day, okay?
And-
drive carefully.
You too.
Now I know why Chloe is crazy about me. Boy is cute.
The documents you requested for?
Oh yeah, Femi mentioned that I needed to sign some of these documents.
Yes, sir.
What was that?
I'm so sorry, sir. I tend to sneeze when I perceive a strong colon. I'm sorry.
So, my cologne is suffocating you.
I'm sorry, no, sir.
One more sneeze from you. What is wrong with you?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
What's wrong with you? Coming here sneezing like a wild animal. Hey, Chloe. How was your day?
Hi.
Hectic and annoying. Oh. No, it's from a staff of mine. She was sneezing at the office. And you know that happens to me a lot. When you catch a cold, I tend to catch a flu too. Of course. Have you forgotten how I used to run away from you then because of your flu? No, but I'll be fine. Are you sleeping soon? Okay, all right, I'll talk to you in the morning. Good night. Oh, this girl. Oh my goodness. Oh.
Good day, sir.
Good day, oh, good day.
I got you some medication for your flu.
For me?
Yes, sir.
Wait, how do you know I was...
I heard you sneezing while passing your office, so I just thought to get you.
Thank you. Thank you, that's really thoughtful of you. Thanks.
Shoot.
I think you need the medication more than I do. Yeah, so just keep it.
No, sir, you really need to take it. Just take it and you'll be fine.
No, you need it. You need it. Yeah, you definitely need it more than I do.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
But sir, you...
No, I'm fine, please. Thank you.
Okay.
Oh, goodness. Oh my God, oh my God.
Hello?
Hi.
How was your day? What's going on? You're not feeling well?
No, those are for Morris.
Oh yeah, he said something about catching flu from one of his staff or so.
Oh, he did? Well, you know how allergic I am to strong colognes. So that day in his office, the perfume he was wearing was really strong. And Morris has always been like that. He catches flu easily.
Okay. Okay, that makes sense. Because last night he called me and asked if I remembered how fast he...
Yeah. He catches flu really, really easily.
Which kind of man be that?
Please, do not talk down on my boo. Don't talk down on my bae. I love him like that.
Oh,
Thank
shit.
you.
Defender of the universe. Ha!
What are you doing in my room?
Ah!
I will go away.
Ouch! Oh, no. You touched my feelings.
Silly child.
Hi, Chloe.
Hi, Femi.
I can see you're headed home.
Yes, I am.
Why not come in now? Let me drop you off.
No, don't worry. Honestly, I'll just wait for a cab.
Oh, come on, man. I insist. Don't worry. It's fine.
Femi, I don't want to stress you. It's fine.
It's fine. Don't worry. Hop in. Let me take you home.
you.
Yeah, it's fine. Just come in. Fine.
Thank you, Femi.
It's cool. I didn't put on my seatbelt. It's fine. I'm
You
gonna
can
put
put
on
it
my
on
seatbelt.
now.
Yes.
Safety first.
I know, yeah. I'm going to put Okay.
All right. Thank you so much. This is my house.
Nice place.
Thank you. And thank you for the ride.
Anytime.
All right. I'll see you at work.
Okay. Take care of yourself.
Drive safe.
Sure, I will.
Bye.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.
Who was that?
Nothing. Just a colleague of mine.
Come here!
Somewhere. I beg, I'm not eating. There's nobody. I feel like leave me alone, no? Did you cook?
He's so cute. Goodness. The way he explained the reason he's leaving the restaurant just took my breath away. Oh, he's such a perfect gentleman. Avila, what are you thinking? Why is it in your head? No, it can't be. It's not what I'm thinking it is. No, it can't be. Thank you.
Thank you. This is my guest. Whenever she's here, you don't have to ask if she has an appointment or not. She's not a client.
Okay, sir.
Hi,
That's not necessary. Please, come with me.
I'm sorry I didn't give you a heads up. We were having lunch and he insisted I come with him to the office.
Well, baby, you should have called. Or at least texted. Eh? Babe, like, I almost messed up. Oh. I was not expecting that.
I saw it in your eyes.
It's not funny.
Babe.
No, I feel like, please. See,
You
not
should
now.
tell him. You should tell him he's a good guy. He would get it.
Here we go again. I have told you. I will tell him when the time is right.
Babe.
Chloe, I beg.
Chloe, ke?
Now, or is this Chloe? I beg leave me alone.
Ha! Problem. I beg, shift. I'm sleeping here.
You better.
My AC is not cooling. I don't know. I called Sule. No, he's not answering.
I don't know.
Shift.
How many times did you call him that he's not answering?
I don't know.
You and procrastination. Were you not supposed to call him last week?
Leave me as if you're not enjoying my company right now. Kai. Avila, you don't go. Hi. You're in love with this guy now. You are. Hi. Look at you. Every time you're thinking about him, just admit it. The shakara. Chloe. What about Chloe? She's not serious now. To hell with her. I beg. Hey, he's handsome, rich, and caring. Everything you could ever ask for. Come on now. I know. I shouldn't build my happiness on Chloe's sadness, but fam, does it make you happy? Eh? Of course now. Eh? Lover. Wait. What are you waiting for? Nothing. Chloe's validation to go ahead. You don't need it. Just move it. Of course now. You can't lose out. Oh. This guy is the thing, man. He's the thing. It's the thing. It's the thing. Chloe, I'm sorry, but man, you're not serious. You're not serious. I warned you.
So these are the statistics of the company, just right here.
Okay, so how do we go about this? Because as I'm looking at it like this, it's going to give us problems.
I know, I'm still working on...
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Is your boss on seat, please?
Yes, he is. You can go right. As I was saying,
Hey, babe.
Hey, baby. Wow. It's so good to see you. I wasn't expecting you.
It was meant to be a surprise.
Well, I am surprised.
How's work?
Work is fine. I was just about to go out for lunch. But now that you're here, we can do lunch together.
Cool. But first of all, I'm not happy.
Why? What's wrong?
Your secretary or whoever she is to you.
What did she do?
She tried to stop me from coming in here. She said you went on a business trip or whatever.
What? Is she insane? Is something wrong with Chloe?
Chloe? Her name is Chloe. Oh, she just has to bear the same name as me.
Baby, I'm so sorry, okay? I'm going to have a conversation with her and I will put her in her place.
Oh, no. Please. I don't want you to have issues with your staff. Well, I suppose she likes you. She has a crush on you.
She has a crush on who?
Mm-hmm. She has seen a hardworking, fine gentleman and her eyes are choking.
What? Why would she like me? Is she crazy? That's not possible.
Is it that she likes you or you've given her the impression that you're interested in her?
Baby, why would I be interested in her when I have you? Huh? Babe, I love you and I want us to be together. Okay?
Maurice, I'm afraid. I don't want my heart broken again.
Baby, I will never, ever break your heart. I promise. Okay?
I love you.
That's what I'm talking about. Come here. Mwah! Dimples came out to play.
Where are we going?
Yeah, I have a place in mind.
Avila, don't you think you guys are getting too close? I mean, you and Maurice. I think you should slow down a bit.
It was about me coming to your office yesterday. I'm sorry, but he called to say he wasn't feeling well, so...
Okay, that's all right, but, I mean, you should have told me. I would have...
Done what? What would he have done? You don't think he'll find it fishy that you know that he's not feeling well when he did not tell you he's not feeling well?
Okay, you're right. But still, you don't always have to go there every time he calls. Sometimes just make up excuses, you know? Just to keep the distance.
Okay, I don't hear.
Anyway, how is he?
Yeah, he's cool. But he has temper issues. The other day, I accidentally spilled water on him. Ah, you should have seen the drama. He was so furious, eh? He just left me there, and really just walked off.
Maurice? That's shocking. I mean, he's not temperamental.
Babe, people change, oh. You can't continue to think he's the same person he was 20 years ago.
I know, but...
I'll make you guys detest each other so he can only be mine.
And anyway, I apologize on his behalf, okay? Whatever my baby has done, I'm sorry.
Why are you apologizing? I don't understand.
Because it's my baby.
Baby. It's fine, no?
So you forgive me?
Who am I?
Thank you.
You and I will be going on a business trip to Abuja on Monday.
Abuja?
Did I stutter?
No.
So you heard me.
Yes, sir.
I'm going for a meeting and I need you there to sort out some necessary documents.
Okay, sir.
Have I made myself clear?
Crystal, sir. Would you need anything?
No, I don't need anything. If I need something, I'll let you know.
Yes, sir. Ataya. I don't like this kind of impromptu trips. Today is Friday, and he's just telling me about the trip was supposed to go on Monday. Bruh.
Well, it's not like you have a choice, so...
Maybe I don't want to chop food, but that's not.
Happy. Talk to you.
Yeah, sure. Jeez.
Kids, eh?
Crazy. I'm telling you. They're so hilarious. Baby? Did I mention that I'll be going on a business trip soon?
To
Abuja.
For how long?
Just 3 days.
Not 3 hours. How can 3 long days be just 3 days?
Baby, come on. It's just 3 days. Before you know it, I'll be back. 3 days is like 3 minutes.
I'll miss you now.
I'm already missing you.
I can't come with you, can I?
Baby, it's work, and you know my attention is going to be needed 24/7, okay? I don't want any type of distractions. This is a contract that I can't afford to lose, so...
Distraction, eh? So I'm a distraction.
Baby, you know that's not what I meant, right?
This one you're packing. Are you moving out like this?
moving out to where? To my father's house. Oh, Maurice called me into the office and said we need to travel to Abuja for a business trip.
Together?
Together. Oh.
Well, that's good. At least you guys will get to spend some time together. Yeah. Outside work.
Auntie, calm down. Calm down. It's a business trip, not a vacation.
That's what I'm saying now. It's not like it's your father's company.
Really, me, Jerry. Oh, I need to do this. I'm tired. Lord.
Don't worry. I'll do it for you, yeah?
No, I don't want to stress you, babe. Don't worry. Let me...
It's not to pack clothes. I beg. Sleep.
Are you sure?
What can you do without me?
They play.
Don't say I don't take care of you.
Thank you so much, Jerry.
You're welcome.
Let me sleep. You can put this. You can put the file inside this.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay. Make sure you lock the door at night before you sleep. Eat on time. Don't eat late. What else? If there's anything else, just give me a call. Okay?
Mother hen Chloe, you act like you'll be gone forever. It's just a few days though. So just hurry up and come back. Besides, I should be the one telling you these things.
Auntie Gwe, I've heard you. I'ma miss you, baby. Yeah.
I miss you too.
Okay.
I would have come with you to the airport, but Maurice, big.
Yeah, I get it. Anyway, Femi said he'll drop me off, so I'll be good.
And you're seeing it like this.
Oh, Jerry, I have to get going if I'll miss my flight.
Wait now. I want to see you.
Who could that be?
Babe! Why are you here? Why are you crying? What happened? What happened? Babe! Chloe! Chloe, you need to talk to me! Chloe!
Good morning, sir.
So, what's the problem?
I've been fired, Femi.
Fired? How? Why?
Take a look.
My goodness. Well, wait, is this because of the Abuja incident? But we can sort this out now.
No, there'll be no need. It's fine. It's fine.
Listen, it's not fine. I can talk to him and we'll get to the bottom of this, I promise you.
Femi, what good will that do? I mean, the company lost a multi-million naira contract because of my mistake.
An unintentional mistake.
Femi, if it was intentional, it wouldn't be a mistake. Okay, look, don't worry. I get it. It's fine. Just...
Come here. It's fine. I'll talk to him, I promise. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Trust me, you'd absolutely love them. Yeah, I sent you the synopsis, so you can just go through them and let me know your take on it. Yeah. Ma'am, can I call you right back? Yeah? Please, I'll call you right back. Babe, it's 10:57 a.m. Why are you home?
I just lost my job.
What? How? I don't understand. How?
I don't even know. I lost an important file, Avila. A crucial one, and I don't even know how that happened.
No. Just come and take a seat here. Babe, Babe. See, first of all, it is just a job. You will get another one, a better one. Okay, but just tell me what happened. Help me understand what's going on. I don't understand.
Okay. So we went to Abuja, hoping to have the meeting the next day. So I started to put things together, sorting everything out. Then I realized I had left an important file behind. Babe, I searched for this file everywhere. I could not find it.
Ha!
I didn't have any choice but to call Femi. I told him to please go to my portfolio and check if he'll find the file so that I can be able to at least sort things out before the meeting commences. But Femi said he didn't see anything.
But you should have spoken to Maurice. I'm sure he would understand.
Avila, I did. I did. He even called Femi back and told Femi to go to his office and check his own portfolio for the file. But it's the same thing. Like, his portfolio was empty. Everything was gone.
Really? But why? What happened? What could have happened?
Babe, I don't know. I have no idea how that happened. And his words, babe, he said...
You're not just ugly, you're also daft. I knew you'd be nothing but bad luck to the company.
What? He said those words to you?
He did.
I've always known Maurice is ruthless, and I told you that. Huh? Anyway, it is not the end of the world, it's just a job. You will get a better job. I need you to stop doing this thing to yourself. No, please.
I don't think so. Babe, my deepest concern is, who could have done this? I mean, why would anyone do this to me?
It could have been Maurice.
Maurice? Why would he do that?
Probably to get rid of you, I don't know. Yeah.
Get rid of me? Why? I mean, what did I do? Wait, did he say anything to you? Did I do something at all?
No, it's not, no. But from what you said, you just said something now. He believed that you would bring bad luck to the company. I don't know, maybe he didn't like the way you looked.
You see, that is what I am saying. That's what I am saying. But nobody wants to be associated with somebody that looks like this.
Oh,
Look
please,
at me.
Chloe, please don't start. Come on now. Come. It's okay. See, you will be fine.
I don't think so. I don't think so.
Babe, since you got back from Abuja, you've been grossly unhappy. It hurts to see you this way. Please, I need you to be fine, okay?
How can I be?
How not, though? I need you to stop beating yourself up for what that incompetent monster did.
You know, I worked really hard for this particular contract. Losing it just makes me feel like I've lost everything.
But you haven't lost everything. You still have me. I'm still here.
That's the only thing I'm grateful for now.
We'll be fine, okay? Right? Stop beating yourself up, please.
The only thing I don't understand is, who would have done that?
Could have been Chloe.
Chloe? Why would she do something like that?
To get back at you.
To get back at me for what?
Babe, Chloe is a woman. If she likes you and you're here loving up another woman, she will do anything to hurt you.
But
it's fine, okay? It's all in the past now. This is the present. Let's just focus on the future, all right? Okay?
You don't even know how sad I am right now.
I understand how you feel, babe. We'll be fine.
Hey, Femi. Oh, really? Okay, let me just change into something quickly. Okay, I'll be with you now. All right, okay. All right, see you soon. All right. What am I going to wear? Hi.
Hi.
Do you want to come in?
No, I'm fine.
But you did not tell me you're coming, no? What's going on?
Would you have let me come if I told you I was coming?
Why will I not? What's up? What's going on?
Well, let's just say I'm here to take my ex-colleague out in a bid to make her feel better.
Ex-colleague.
Yes.
Is it me you're calling ex-colleague? Don't even try it again, no. Don't
Okay,
try it.
fine. Can I call you a friend?
I mean, we're friends, aren't we?
I know I'm just trying to make you feel better now.
Calm down. Congratulations, you did it. So, how is work?
Boring without you. I miss you every day.
Aww. Wait, they've not found a replacement for me yet.
Oh, there's one guy there now.
And you're not feeling him a bit.
Feeling
Okay, so you want to take me out. Where are we going to now?
It's a surprise. Let's go.
It's a surprise.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Let me just go in and wear my wig.
No.
No,
You look beautiful
Femi,
the way
I
you
cannot
are.
go out like this. No.
Stop it. Come.
Oh.
You look fine. You look perfect the way you are.
Okay.
Don't worry, come. Don't worry. Let me help you open the door.
Oh.
You know I'm a gentleman.
I don't like going out like this.
Don't touch this.
Okay, I'm not touching it. Thank you.
I hope you enjoyed your day.
Yes, I did. It's been so long since I had this much fun. Plus, I enjoyed the movie too. It was very funny.
Yeah, I did too.
Thank you.
I hope we can be doing this more often.
Of course. I mean, if that's not inconveniencing you.
No, never.
Oh.
See, I like spending time with you more than anything else in this world. I'm serious. I enjoy spending time with you. I mean it.
Okay. I've heard you. Anyway, thank you once again.
I'm honored. Thank you.
I should go.
Okay.
So call me when you get home.
Definitely, I will.
All right. Bye.
All right, take care.
Take care. Drive safe. So, Femi, he seems like a cool guy.
Tell me more.
Look at you. I'm a bore. Well, there's nothing serious, Sha. But hold up. Why are you so interested in this particular subject?
I'll be interested in whatever it is that makes my best friend happy.
I know, right? Anyway, you know I've always told you how he's nice to me. Like, he's been so sweet ever since. Like, from the onset, he's just...
See, if it gives you the happiness you crave for, please don't hesitate, though.
Hold up. Which one is don't hesitate? Have you forgotten how much I love Maurice?
Please, I beg.
What's that?
Mood, I beg. Please leave that one alone, Joe. He's heartless. He's mean. Please.
But I feel like it was all my fault now.
Are you alright?
Yes.
Why are you taking the blame?
Because it was my fault.
If he was as nice as you think he is, he wouldn't have done what he did to you.
Okay, I've heard you. So when was the last time you guys spoke?
2 weeks ago. I told him I was going to visit an aunt in the village and that the service is full. So whenever he calls me, I just turn off my internet and he cuts the call, you know?
Oh, she's a sharp girl. So tell me, what are your plans? Like, with him, what are you going to do?
I intend to tell him I can't carry on with him because I'm in a relationship.
What? And you think he would believe that?
Who cares?
Hey.
To hell with him and whatever he believes, please. I beg. I really don't care.
Okay.
Hey. So Femi, let's watch Femi.
I beg, forget about Femi first.
He's the Coco.
I believe you, Coco. It's only Coco Jerry.
Babe? How is Mom?
Mom's fine.
Where is she now?
She stays with my married sister.
Sister? How? You were the only child till you were 7. Did Mom remarry?
Aunt Vivian is Mom's younger sister, but I prefer to call her my sister.
Oh. I didn't know your mom had a younger sister. How come I never met her or hear you and Mom talk about her?
She's actually Mom's half-sister. When Grandpa died, a woman showed up out of nowhere and said that her daughter is also Grandpa's daughter. So.
Oh, I get. Grandpa! May his soul rest in peace.
Amen.
Do you remember how he would go drop us off in school, blasting music in his car?
Yeah, of course, I remember. Oh, I miss those good old times.
I know.
And that I'm here with you to create new ones.
I know, right? So, which of our funny moments do you remember?
How can you even ask that? When you peed on your pants and your mom came to the assembly ground and announced it to the whole
goodness. Oh my god, I knew you were going to go there. Do you know that that day still remains the most embarrassing day of my life?
Of course, I know, right?
Oh, do you remember that day that you had
I have to get going. Okay?
What? Why? It's a sleepover, no?
I have to work, Maurice. I need to send the producer 2 scripts today.
Baby, you can send all your scripts from here.
With you here?
What do you mean with me here? Look, I promise you won't even know that I exist, okay? I won't bother you at all.
Easier said than done. Have you looked at yourself? With all this?
Baby, what do you mean with all this? Come on, baby, come.
Please let me go home, Jerry.
No. Oh, okay, when do you want me to come and know where you live?
Babe, it's a hostel. A female dorm. But don't worry. I'm planning to move out soon, really soon. And then you can come
Baby.
however you like. In fact, you can move in.
Baby, you've been saying this for the past 3 months.
And you've sent me money more than 2 times, thinking money is the problem. Don't worry, I'm working on it, okay?
Baby.
Please, I'll sort it out soon and then you can come.
Please, no.
Please, I promise.
So you're indirectly saying that I have to let you go? All of this goodness.
Afila, I have submitted my resume with 2 different companies, yet none of them have contacted me.
Don't worry, just stay positive, okay? Don't worry, very soon, and hopefully, the gap will be filled.
I just hope so. I pray so.
Hey, Femi.
No, please, no.
What is wrong with you? Why can't you just forget about Maurice and move on? You've been waiting for him your entire life, and it doesn't look like you guys are going to work. So why do you wait around for him to come around?
Wait. What is going on? Seriously, what has changed? You used to be the one who always say, oh, Maurice is a nice guy, he's cool.
Yeah, that was before I found out who he truly is. See, Chloe, you have Femi at your fingertips. Don't let him slide off. Oh. Don't let him go to another woman.
But wait, I feel like this Femi guy that you're even rooting for has not made a move. He has not asked me out, so what chance am I supposed to give him?
But we both know what he wants. You can make it happen yourself.
Look, I cannot have anything to do with Femi. My heart is with another man. I'm in love with Maurice.
I know. But I'm just rooting for your peace of mind.
Avila, I beg you, let's just dead this topic. I don't want to talk about it. I beg, I'm thinking of my life, please. How is Maurice?
You seem to care a whole lot about Maurice because you're always talking about him.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's because of the damages I caused. I just want to be sure he's fine.
He's fine. Can we not talk about Maurice today, please?
Yes, boss.
Thank you. Well, I spoke to a friend of mine and he said he should come to his office on Monday with your CV. Hope you wouldn't mind.
Oh my God, are you serious? I don't mind at all. Thank you so much, Femi. Honestly, I don't know what I would have done without you. Thank you.
Well, it's a pleasure. I will do anything to see you happy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So, how do I get to your friend's office?
Oh, yeah, that's true. I'll send the details to you later.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
I will.
Anywho, I should let you go now, Abby.
It's fine. No problem.
I'll see you soon.
Yeah, take care of yourself. Yeah.
Hey, baby girl. I'm out.
Hey, my friend. Look at her.
Leave me alone.
That's so fine.
Oh my God. Thank you. But who just want help? Babe, the most important thing right now is the job. I just pray to God that I get the job.
But you've done this before now. I'm sure you go there and blow them away.
Seriously, Avila, thank you. I mean, what would I have done without you? Thank you so much.
Well, if I don't, who will? Go As long as you're farther away from my Maurice, you won't have any issues.
Seriously, I will never trade you for anything in this world. Not even the love of my life.
But then, Femi, God will bless you for this. Femi, I really don't know why.
Look, I know where you are going to. Don't even go to that place, okay?
If you like, don't listen to me now and go and catch feelings.
I'll see you later, okay?
All right, here.
Bye.
All right, yeah, good luck.
Yeah.
I don't know where you will not go and date this Femi guy and leave Maurice for me. Stupid ugly bitch. Begging.
Hi.
Congratulations there. Akin told me you got what he needs for his company.
Thank you. You have no idea what you've done for me. Like, everything went smoothly. The interview, everything was just stress-free. Thank you.
I'm happy I could make you happy. Thank you for being happy.
Thank you.
Babe, open this door now.
Femi, I have to go. Someone is... I'll call you back. I'll call you back. Sorry, I didn't know I locked the door.
I've been knocking for so many minutes now. Where were you?
I'm so sorry. I was on a call with Femi. So sorry. Guess what?
What?
I got the job!
Really? Yes! Congratulations!
Thank you. I just got a mail from the company a few minutes ago. I'm so happy.
Femi, God bless you for us!
Amen!
Amen!
Hallelujah!
You don't know what I'm saying, eh? Amen!
Welcome, baby.
Yeah.
Welcome.
All right. All right.
By the way, there's something in the kitchen.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Sorry. Said sorry, you'll be fine. Who's there? Femi. Hold on, I'm coming. Oh, Femi. All right, hold on. Hi.
Hi, what's good?
I'm good.
For you.
Oh, wow. This is sweet. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You told me you were coming later in the evening.
Oh, yeah. I closed early from work today. You know, today is Friday, so I decided to come see the woman that has stolen my heart.
I beg you, it's not me that did that one. Please, come and have a seat.
Thank you.
This is nice.
Wow. That's a very nice place.
Would you like something to eat, drinks?
Anything chilled.
Okay, so you're fine with water or juice, or water and juice.
Fine, it's cool.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'll be right back.
Yeah.
All right, here you go. So take your pick.
Juice.
Okay, I'm sorry about the left hand.
Oh, come on, man. It's nothing, man. Nice.
So how was work?
Hectic as usual, but, you know, we're pushing through.
I mean, we don't have any other options now, do we?
Do you understand? So how about you now? How is your new job treating you?
Well, so far so good. I mean, I'm still trying to adapt to the new system, but it is far better than just sitting at home and doing nothing.
Right. Do you understand? We're doing good.
No, seriously. Like, I mean, she should have been more careful.
I can imagine the face she made when the guy walked in on her. Like,
I know. She was like, oh my God. Oh, I'm so sorry. That was my roommate. Sorry.
your roommate, I thought you stay alone.
No, I don't. She's been sick for a while now, and that's why she didn't come down to say hello.
Oh, that's sad. Yeah. I hope she didn't go because of me, though.
Oh, no, of
course
Are you
not.
sure?
No. No. Would you like some popcorn or? Oh, okay. Yeah, cool.
Please, and next time, just let me know when he's coming here.
Babe, I'm sorry. Okay? He called and said he was coming in the evening to take me out. I had no idea he was coming at that time. I'd have warned you. I'm sorry.
I'm just wondering how long we're going to continue to do this.
I think there's a need for us to investigate what happened to your portfolio and that of Cleo's.
It's been a month. You think I'm still interested? Besides, we already lost the contract. It's no longer important.
But I still think we should do it for safety.
Okay. What do you suggest we do?
I don't know. Maybe talk to the security guy, check the CCTV, anything.
If you can sort things out, go ahead. I'm not stopping you.
Okay, sir. Then I'll see the security guy and ask him to play back all the footages from 1 month ago.
Whatever makes you happy, Femi.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much. So that is the plan, and with this we'll be able to trace who did it.
Okay. That means Maurice gave you the go-ahead.
Oh, yes,
right?
he did.
Okay. Well, that's great. Good to hear.
Yeah. But the truth is I am doing this mainly because of you.
Why?
Chloe, you see,
Femi, what is it?
Chloe, please don't take this the wrong way.
Okay.
But I am crazy in love with you. I fell hopelessly for you the very first moment I set my eyes on you.
Okay, I get the joke. I get it.
What?
You're joking, right? I mean, you're joking.
Chloe, come on. I swear I don't see all these things on your face. I don't see these scars. Trust me. Please, I beg you. Just give me a chance to prove to you that I am crazily and madly. Just give me a chance to take care of you and to love you.
You're not joking?
I'm not joking.
Femi,
Hey, babe.
breaking news. Femi and I are now together.
Really? No, wait. Say that again.
Oh, I said Femi and I are not together, Joe. My eardrum. That's so dramatic.
No! This is what I'm talking about.
I know,
I am
right?
proud.
Hey, calm down. Anyway, Aisha told him that he should just, let's just try first.
Hey, but you must shine in a relationship, This is the Chloe I used to know. Come on, girl. But it's unfortunate, oh, I cannot meet him, but whatever. We move!
Avila, do you think we should end everything now? Like, you know, the whole...
Hey, please, let's just concentrate on this relationship first. To hell with Maurice and whatever it is that he wants or whatever he believes. Calm down!
He's not the devil! He's not the devil! I beg you.
Oh, my friend!
Hey, baby girl.
Hey.
Oh, look at that dimple.
Oh, wait. Stop. Stop! You know it tickles. Stop. Babe, I have something important to discuss with you.
Can you wait? Whatever you want to tell me.
It's really important.
Tell
It's
me.
really important.
Under the duvet.
Okay. Just hold on.
Okay, I'm listening.
Okay, so I've been feeling unwell lately.
Okay.
And I went to see the doctor. And I tested positive.
You tested positive to what?
It's being pregnant. I'm pregnant, babe. Yeah.
You're being serious?
Yes.
What? How can you be pregnant? You're an adult. You know what? We have to do something about it, okay? I'm not ready to father a child.
Maurice? You're not being serious, are you?
Does it look like I'm playing? I said I'm not ready for that kind of responsibility. You're telling me I'm not being serious.
But we have everything it takes to father this child.
You know what? Please leave. Leave, please.
Maurice, quit playing, please.
Who's playing with... I said leave. What do you mean you're pregnant?
Maurice!
Ow. I don't understand. Please, leave. Get your stuff.
No, wait, hold on. Maurice!
Come here now.
No, please.
Let's go.
Are you serious? What have I done to myself? Was it serious? Please. I hope it's a prank. I hope it's a prank. How do I explain this to Chloe? God, please, I'm begging you. Oh, please give me a second chance, please. I'm begging you, please. I don't know what to do. I made a mistake. Please forgive me. Oh God, I was stupid.
So, this car, I got it on my 15th birthday. I was raised by a single mother. I lost her when I was 12. And she didn't have any other family except my uncle. So I had no choice but to go live with him. He had 2 sons.
Okay.
Then one of them started molesting me. And every time I reported him to his mother, He always played the victim card and turned the table around until she punished me for his own crimes.
And what about your uncle?
There wasn't much he could do.
Why?
He was paralyzed. My 15th birthday was the most unfortunate day of my life. I was in the kitchen making food for the family. And then he walked in, grabbed me by the waist. I turned around and slapped him because I just could not take it anymore.
Okay.
So out of annoyance, he hit the pot off the stove, grabbed me by the head and then put my face over the fire.
What?
I was rushed to the hospital immediately. But when I got back from the hospital, I found out that they had traveled out of the country. And ever since then, until now, I have not heard from any of them. Like, no one has even called to check if I survived or not.
That is so wicked. I'm sorry for the pains that you passed through.
My doctor took me in. She adopted me and saw me through school until tertiary level. I lost her 2 years ago.
I'm so sorry. I accept my condolence, babe.
Thank you. Anyway, that was it. That's how I became someone living with a scar.
Baby, even with your scars, you're still the most beautiful woman on earth. And you have the most beautiful personality. I couldn't ask for more.
Thank you. No, really. Thank you for loving me and for accepting me with this scar.
Baby, this scar is part of you. And I love the all of you. And guess what? I promise to be by your side, to hold your hand forever.
You promise?
I promise. I love you, Chloe.
I love you. I love you too, Femi. I love you so much. Thank you. I'm sorry.
Don't cry. I'm fine, I'm here now, okay?
Okay.
And I'm coming in. What is going on? Well, I mean, lately you've been distant. What's the problem?
Nothing, I'm fine.
Avila, you cannot tell me nothing when you're wearing a long face, your face is red and your eyes are... Talk to me, what happened?
I said I'm fine, okay? I just want to be by myself.
Avila, did someone die? Please now, I'm worried. Avila. do you want me to just sit here with you in silence?
No, please. I want to be left alone, please.
Come back and check on me. Whatever it is, just take it easy, okay?
Babe, guess what?
What?
I have the footage of the Abuja portfolio incident.
Are you serious? Can I
Yep.
see? I mean, were you guys able
Yes.
to? Okay, but did you see who did it?
Yep, it's Maurice's girlfriend.
Maurice has a girlfriend?
Duh, he does. The lady that comes to the office every now and then. Yes, now.
Can I see?
Yeah. Have a look. I told you I was going to get this person. Yep.
Avila? I mean, why would she do something like this?
Avila. I thought her name was Chloe or... Yes, Chloe. Is that not her name?
No, her name is Avila and she's my roommate. But...
Babe, can you stop all this drama and just tell me, make me understand what's happening? Who is Avila? Who is Chloe?
What? Why would Chloe do something like this?
I think we should go to her and find out what's going on.
I don't even know where she stays.
I do.
Take me there.
Show me.
Sorry, please. Just hear me out. Please.
Avila, why?
Why would you betray me like this? Why?
I'm sorry.
You're sorry. That's literally the only thing you ever say. You're sorry.
Please just give me some time to explain. Please. Babe.
What's going on here?
Babe.
Don't bait me. What is going on here?
I can explain.
But I'm not going alone though.
Really? Mm-hmm. Who are you going with?
Chloe.
Dayo, whatever it is she does for you.
She's my personal assistant and secretary. She's going to be needed there too.
Hope I can trust you.
Baby, don't be ridiculous. I can never have anything to do with her. Have you seen how irritating she is?
So if I were in her shoes, you treat me the same way, eh?
No, never. Baby, I love you.
You can be cute, eh? Yeah, anyway, I have to get going, huh? It's late.
What? Why?
My roommate is not feeling well, and I'm the only one she has to take care of her.
Okay, fine. I'll drop you off.
Oh, no, it's fine. Don't worry. My ride will be here shortly. Don't stress.
I'm not stressing.
I'll be fine. Honest.
Are you sure? Mm-hmm. Is there something you're hiding from me?
What can I possibly be hiding from you?
I don't know. You tell me. I insist. I'm going to drop you off.
No. He's here. So, I gotta go.
Babe.
Okay.
We're starting to look at all these 409 girls.
No, babe. Love you. See you later.
Love you too.
Who is there?
Come open this gate, I beg.
Who is there, please?
Chloe, Oga wife.
Ah, madam. Sorry, ma.
I beg, hurry up.
Sorry.
I want to pick up a file for Oga, eh?
Hey, ma. This one way you be saying only you Oga send call this weekend. Where Oga?
When he comes to work tomorrow, ask him why he fell ill and allowed his wife to come and pick up a file for him. In fact, make sure you preach to him and call him irresponsible. Yeah? Or there.
Madam, I know if you tell her that one.
I beg, shut up!
Okay, the para.
Aha! Let me see how you go to Abuja and spend time alone with my man. Stupid girl. I'll wipe out your portfolio and see what file you work on when you're over there. Match.
Okay, I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. But babe, the first time I saw you, I fell in love with you. And Chloe, I swapped the file you had in it with another file I got from your office. See, I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry, you guys.
Avila, one question. What did I do? Huh? I really want to know if there's anything I had done to you to deserve such... Like, why?
Wait. A villa? Why is Chloe a villa? What is her?
Morris. I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry for all the pains that I've caused you and probably will cause you, but she's not the Chloe you used to know. I am.
What?
Babe, I can explain. Please, just look. The first day we were supposed to meet, after so many years, I was so excited, Maurice. I was really happy. I wanted to see you again. But you walked into the restaurant and then you walked past me because of my scar, like I wasn't even existing. I felt broken. So I asked Avila to take my place until I was ready to tell you the truth.
Yes, she's the Chloe you knew from childhood. She asked me to see you in her stead. See, baby, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Babe, please. Femi, can we talk? Can we just talk? Please, just listen.
Chloe!
Chloe! For goodness sake, Avila, you should have told me. Why didn't you say, hey, bestie, I'm in love with Morris, instead of toying with my feelings? How can you do something such despicable thing to me? Talk to me!
If I had known, I really wouldn't have done it. Now the joke is on me. I've learned my lessons. And I really hope that people learn from my experience. Just because someone you used to know was cool doesn't mean they'll be cool forever, because people change. People change, they really do, Chloe. Maurice is not the man you think he is.
Again? Avila, again with the manipulation? What did I do to deserve all of this?
Chloe, no. I'm pregnant.
What?
I'm pregnant with Maurice's child.
Wait. What? Wait, first of all, you guys were actually having sex? I mean, like, that is the love of my life. How could you do this to me? Jeez. Hold on. He said what? What did he say? What did he say?
He said he's not ready to parent a child. See, I'm sorry, please. Please, I'm sorry.
Why?
I'm sorry.
What
Please,
have you done? What have you done?
I'm sorry, please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please.
Oh, God.
What's going to happen to the baby?
I told her what to do.
Who are you, Maurice?
Chloe. I'm sorry. Okay. Avila manipulated me. She said so many horrible things about you, and I'm sorry. I miss you. Okay, I miss my childhood friend.
Your child needs you, Mr. Man.
Why did you do that, Chloe? I mean, I know you look different from the Chloe I used to know while growing up, but you shouldn't have.
It's not worth it anymore. The most painful part of all this is I pushed my best friend into her misfortune. Because you'd have treated me the exact way you're treating her now if I were in her shoes. So no, it is not worth it. You have a family to take care of, Maurice.
I can't.
Why?
Because I have a wife and 2 kids.
What?
I have a family in Canada. This company belongs to my father-in-law. Okay, they sent me to Nigeria to take care of things because the company was going bankrupt.
What?
I'm sorry I lied to you. Okay, I really wanted to be with you for the time being. And instead of cheating on my wife with a total stranger, I thought it would be better with a woman that I know. I'm sorry, okay?
All my life, I waited for you. Because of how much I loved you, I thought maybe one day I'd get the chance to finally be with my first love, but you are not him. There is no way you're him. You're the devil!
I'm sorry.
I know I wronged you in many ways. And I don't deserve your forgiveness. Still, I apologize. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Chloe.
Avila, you were not just my best friend. You were my sister. A sister I never had. I know that you liked him because he was rich, cool, handsome. So it's not your fault. I get it. I forgive you, Avila. And I am sorry. I am sorry for sending you to him, for the part I played in your misfortune. I'm truly sorry.
No. I am sorry.
No, I am sorry. I mean, this could have been me. I could have been in your shoes. But I guess it's the universe's way of punishing you for being a traitor. I mean, it's crazy how people change. Maurice used to be the coolest, most mature teenager I had ever come across. But the man he turned out to be is... I don't know.
I went to see a doctor and he said that I have little chance of survival if I decide to go for an abortion.
What are you talking about? Avila, do not tell me you plan on aborting that child. Don't say that.
I don't want to have an illegitimate child.
Avila, no child is illegitimate. Look, this is a blessing in disguise. I know it may not look like it right now, but trust me, it is. And I would never forgive you if anything happens to that baby. I'm supposed to be an auntie.
I'm sorry.
No, I'm sorry. I truly am sorry. It's not your fault who your heart chose to fall in love with. If only I didn't ask you to do this. Okay, I get it and I am so sorry. I'm so sorry for asking you to do this. I feel like it's all my fault. This wouldn't have happened.
It's my fault. It's okay. I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's fine. It's fine. Come here.
I'm really sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. I forgive you. But I hope you forgive me too.
There's nothing to forgive.
But I pushed you into this. I caused everything. Everything is my fault.
No, it was my greed. I'm sorry.
Baby, I'm sorry. I was embarrassed, okay? I was too ashamed to tell you about it. I'm truly sorry. Please, forgive me, babe. Please.
I forgive you. And I understand how you were feeling at that moment. I do. I love you, Chloe.
I love you, Femi. I love you so much. And I am so sorry. I will never hide anything from you again. I'm sorry.
I lied to you.
What does that mean?
I am the CEO of the company where you work, not Akin. Akin is just my staff. The truth is, I've been in numerous relationships and the women I've been with, they don't love me for me. They're just after my money. So I thought maybe if I disguised, I might see the right woman for me. And it's you, baby. I love you.
Femi, why?
I'm sorry, Chloe, but I just have to... Baby, please, wait.
I just want to be left alone, okay?
Baby, please. Okay. Baby!
I think you should forgive him.
I feel like I can't. Femi lied to me. I mean, how do you lie to someone you claim to love? I don't know. I don't know if I can. I'm not sure yet. Who's there?
Baby. Baby, please, I'm sorry. I just wanted to be sure this time that a woman loves me for me and not my money. Baby, please, I'm sorry. You know I will never want to hurt you intentionally. Please, find a place in your heart to forgive me. Babe, I'm lost without you. I'm nothing without you. Baby, please, forgive me.
Fine. It's fine. I've forgiven you.
I'm sorry, babe. Babe, I'm sorry. I really am. You know that it's just been a short period of time that we just started dating and we've been together. But it seems like forever. So please, my love, I want you to make me the happiest and the luckiest man in the world by saying yes to being my wife and the mother to my unborn kids.
Oh my God.
And lastly, being my life partner.
Oh my God. Yes, I'll marry you. I'll marry you. Oh my God. Oh my God, baby.
I'm sorry. I promise it won't happen again. I swear.
It's okay. It's okay. I love you too. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Even though it was easy for you to forgive me, I find it really hard to forgive myself. Please, don't look for me.
Oh my goodness. Avila, I am so sorry. I am so sorry I made you do this. This is all my fault. I'm so sorry. Oh, God. Hello? Babe, Avila is gone. Like, she just left.
I'm so sorry, my love. I know she'll be fine. I was actually going to call you because of Morris, but I think this isn't the perfect time.
No. It's fine. It's fine. Go ahead. What is it?
He left the country. He flew back to his wife and kids in the States this morning.
That guy. But it's okay. I trust karma. And I know that sooner or later she will catch up with him and deal with him.
Avila will be fine. I'm on my way to you.
No, babe. I just want to be left alone, honestly.
I hope you wouldn't hurt yourself.
No, I'll be fine. I just want to be by myself.
As long as you promise not to hurt yourself, I respect your decision. You can always talk to me.
Thank you, baby.
I love you, baby.
I love you too.